What's up, YouTube? John Fax here again. Gonna be making a video on how to get monetization in less than 6 months. So I just surprisingly yesterday I just got monetized. So I'm gonna tell you like some stuff you can do or whatever that can maybe work for you or work for me. So I don't know. I just started YouTube like in December 20th or something. So I've been doing. I guess that's good because I got monetized pretty quick. So I mean, some stuff you could do is what I would do is post your like for new YouTubers. I'm a new YouTuber too. So what you could do is post your videos on your like social media site like Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram. What else? TikTok. That's what I did. I post my stuff on my TikTok too. Even though I don't really use it like that, but I posted on there like different videos, and I just like, hey, watch my video and this and that. And the other thing you could do is like you can also make like kind of long, like kind of little short videos. Make 2 to 3 minute videos, and because people, human nature, our attention span is short, so it's not like you don't really watch all the video unless it's really interesting, like unless you're telling a story or something like that. So you could do something like that also to help you out towards your monetization. So but ultimately it's your watch time. Like you got to get 4,000 hours worth, which it is a lot, but you can do it. I recommend like you do like longer videos. Like try to do a 3-hour video and then get a lot of people to just watch it or whatever. That'll give you more watch time too. That's what I kind of did too. I made like longer videos. I also did like long live stream. Like I also do gaming. So I did like I live streamed the gaming. So I played like for at least 2 or 3 hours, like each session. So then I guess people they started watching it, and they also gave me a lot of watch time also. So you could try that too, but it's a lot of stuff you could do. Like I was actually surprised that I got monetized so fast. But I'm actually happy. I'm going through the process now. I'm signing up for Google Ad now. So like, hey, it's a long journey, and I've been grinding. Really making videos. I try to make it every 2 days or whatever. But cause I'm working, so and I'm busy too, doing other stuff too. So I don't know, but hey, I'm happy that I got it. But you guys, you also leave in the comments what you guys did to get monetized too. So hey, catch you soon.